Today I'm going to be showing you how to make faux leather tags with your Cricut for your knit items. So I just cut out my logo using a 2" by 2" square, and then I just weeded them all. I used a 12" piece of iron-on vinyl HDV, and I'm just weeding out all of the logos. I think I was able to cut out 25 on this one sheet of HTV. I then took some faux leather and cut a 4" by 4" square, and I just ironed it on. Make sure you use a Teflon sheet or parchment paper and an extra, I use a pillowcase, so fabric, just so you don't melt the faux leather. And then you'll carefully peel it off, make sure it's all ironed on. And then I just trimmed a 1/2 inch around to make the square more even. And then I used a leather punch to punch holes all the way around. And I just used a yarn needle to sew this onto one of the hats I knit. And this is the final product. Super cute, inexpensive.